Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Settings, so open Face ID and Passcode and enter your passcode to proceed. Once done, hold the iPhone X at about arm's length, roughly 10 to 20 inches, and position your face inside the frame. Make sure lighting is even and avoid direct backlight. Remove sunglasses or anything that covers your eyes. This speeds registration and reduces repeat scans. Start the first scan by tapping Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen guidance to move your head. Now continue by following the circular motion prompts. The phone asks you to move your head in a small circle so the true depth camera captures multiple angles. You should keep a neutral expression and avoid exaggerated movements. Steady, slow rotation ensures accurate depth mapping. When prompted, complete the second scan to improve recognition across looks. Make sure to include side angles. If you wear a mask, take it off for setup. Once both scans finish, Face ID will be enrolled and ready to authenticate. To finish, enable the features you want: iPhone Unlock, iTunes, and App Store, inside Face ID settings so the system applies your new profile. Then test unlocking with your usual posture, holding the phone naturally and trying varied lighting to verify reliability. If Face ID fails to recognize you, make sure the true depth camera is clean and no case obstructs it. Then reset Face ID and re-register in a well-lit area. If problems persist, try adding an alternate appearance or contact Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.